Hello everyone, welcome to BPO interview tutorials, and today we will be seeing a new topic, that is call calibration in BPO company. So we will start with the same process for which we have started this tutorial sessions. We will go on the basis of HR questions and managers questions which are going to ask in the interview sessions. So before moving to the video, again guys, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who are looking for the job and who are already working with the company and who are lacking with such knowledge. So please share to your colleagues so that they will get the knowledge and they can uh, make their impression best in front of managers. So let's start the video guys, and please don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be getting my new videos notifications and all. We'll see the definition of call calibration. We will see so how the call calibration was done and how the call calibration will be done between the clients and internally. We will also look into a live example, and at last we will see the questions which are going to ask in the interview session. So let's start our today's topic, call calibration. So guys, call calibration is a meeting between employees, supervisor and the quality team, and sometimes client will be also there and they will discuss on the uh, process, they will discuss on the process improvement plan, and they will discuss and rate on the service call. So don't go with the definition as a right away guys, it will be difficult for you, but this is the standard definition for the call calibration. No worries, I will give you a live example and I will give you the example on the basis of calling procedure so that you will get to know what actually it is. So guys, there are two type of call calibration. The first one is internal, another one is external. So internal calibration means that call calibration is happening in between the team. Like there will be the employees, QAs. Employees, rarely we will ask employees to join the calibration. So there will be QAs, trainers, team leads, sometimes managers will be also there, and we will be discussing on certain topic and we will come up with a common understanding, right? So at that instance we will not say that as a call calibration because we will be sitting in the same meeting room. But if it is happening to the vendor level, or else we can say like if I'm working with one company which is Genpact, that is will be available in all of the states in the India, mostly states in the India. And guys, if you have seen like the process will be same for an example Hyderabad, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Jaipur for an example, and everyone are getting this calibration details. Then what they will do, they will join with the help of a meeting call and all, or else they will join by the Avaya, which is nothing but a telephone call. So guys, but if it is going with us one internally, then they will join it by a meeting room. Okay, and if it is an external calibration, which means the call calibration will done in between all the vendors. Okay, we will call it as a vendor level guys. Okay, all the vendors, I will tell you the better definition of the vendor. For an example, if I'm working with Genpact and I'm working with, for an example, Amazon process, and that Amazon process is available in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Jaipur, Delhi, and the client is from USA. So what will happen here, client will give us some call calibration cases wherein we need to perform certain operations, and on the basis of that, all the vendors means the vendor means which are not from the same company but they are going with the same process. Okay, for an example, Wipro also having a Amazon process, Genpact is also having a Amazon process, Tech Mahindra is also having a Amazon process. So client will be sharing that call details to everyone, and they will ask us to join that particular call, and we will be discussing so that we all will be on the same page in terms of process improvement. So such kind of calibration is known as external calibration guys. Next, it will help everyone to be on same page in terms of process improvement and evaluate the employee performance. Guys, the main motto of the call calibration is we need to be on same page. If any problem occurs in our process from any of the vendor, so everyone need to be on same page. Okay, everyone need to follow the same procedure which has been guided by the client, right? So that is the reason call calibration is happening on weekly basis, guys. Every week there will be a internal calibration and there will be external calibration. Internal calibration totally depend on company to company. Mostly we will be having a client calibration, so that client will be giving us a process update. We will be sharing our views in front of client, so that we all guys will be on the same page. So what will be the benefit with the help of call calibration? So guys, with the help of call calibration, obviously we will improve the score of the employee performance, because if everyone will be on the same page, then it will give us the accurate score for all the vendors. I'm not telling equal score, accurate scores. If I'm marking the employee for the apology, definitely if the same call has been audited by the another vendor, they will also mark the same call for the apology. So in this way we can be on the same page. That is the reason call calibration will be there. And in call calibration there will be updates has been shared by the client. Maybe sometimes we will ask the doubt to the client, and the doubt is asked by us, but the other vendor don't know about this particular thing, and client are giving the solution for that. So that solution will be helpful for all the vendors. So that is the reason this call calibration will be there. And the third one, coaching improvement plan. And I already told you guys, if I'm marking any error for this particular employee, the same error has been marked from the another vendor also, which means we are giving the same coachings, and due to that the feedback process will be smoother, and we can improve the employee performance also. So these are the just basic definition, guys. You can tell all this answer in front of HR or manager if they are going to ask you any questions like what do you understand by calibration. I believe these points are very helpful and easy to understand. Let's move to the next point. This calibration will be conducted for 1 hour, guys, the minimum duration, but it may extend it for 2 hours also, 3 hours also. It totally depend on the discussion what we guys are doing over the call. So we will see the last point which I have mentioned here. Random cases will be shared by the client if it is an external calibration. Obviously if it is an external calibration, definitely the cases will be shared by the clients, and if it is an internal calibration, quality team will share the cases, and that cases will be discussed in between all the training team, the supervisor, operation team and all. Now you guys have a questions here, right? Like what do you understand by these cases? So we will see this particular point in the live example. So this is the live example, guys. So there is nothing we can show you like a live, guys, but we can give you an example. With the help of that, you guys will get to know what is actually the calibration is. Let's start, and we are discussing on this external calibration, guys. We are not going with the internal calibration. If you get the information for the external calibration, definitely you will get the entire information for the internal calibration also. There is nothing difference, only the single difference here is in the external client will be there, on internal the client will not be there. So let's discuss the example for the calling process wherein client shared to caller ID with all the vendors. So guys, for an example, if I'm working with the Amazon process, and I'm working with Genpact for an example, and the other vendors are working with Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant for an example. So client share a common caller ID, and client asks us to listen that particular call and identify where the associate miss where the associate miss in the overall call. So on the basis of that, you need to fill the audit form. I believe you guys are aware with the audit form, wherein we need to judge the performance of the employee, how he did over the particular call. For an example, if we miss with apology, empathy, or else if we miss with call opening, call ending, so we will judge all the parameters over there, right? So client shared us to caller ID. Client asks us like we will be connecting on so and so day, and this will be the timing, and join us, and they will share you the meeting details also. Meeting details, no need to worry, guys, that totally depend on company to company. You may get this call details, like you need to join by the call, or else you may get a video conferencing details also. Now what if all the vendors need to do? All the vendors need to audit that particular call, and they need to share their scores. Now for an example, if I'm working with Genpact, then with me I have a quality team. For an example, we are 10 QAs, 4 supervisor and 2 trainers. Everyone need to give their observation, guys. Here everyone need to give their observation. Everyone need to fill the sheet. On the basis of that, the score will be calculated. In the same way, other vendors will also give their calculation, and if all the data will be shared to the client, right? And after done with that, we will be marking on the errors that I have already explained you guys. And um, after that, after the calibration, client will discuss on all the parameter on the audit sheet, and will check with the master calibration. Okay, so what will be happening here? So what client will do, client will also do the audit of those particular cases, and he will check with the scores which we have generated for that particular case, or else he will check the parameters. For an example, if I did the marking for the apology parameter or else call opening parameter, client will see on his data also, like either client did that particular parameter markdown or not. If yes, which means we guys are calibrated with the client. Correct. If client is not doing the markdown and we are doing the markdown, for an example, for that particular parameter, definitely client will ask us why you done this particular markdown, right? Can you please justify the things what actually there was mistake done by the associate? So if we are giving the proper justification, definitely client will agree to on our point. So same, not with the client, even other vendors have not done the markdown, and if we done the markdown, other vendors will also ask this particular question. So the calibration will be between all the vendors and client, fine, but there will be one master calibrator, that will be the client here. Okay, so client need to be very much clear, and obviously client will be clear in terms of process and everything. So we will mark the parameter on the basis of that. And I have already explained you the second point, which is client will ask the question to the vendors and all. Then after done with the discussion, client will show us the final sheet. On the basis of that, the score will be calculated for all the vendors. For an example, we have done the correct markdown, but client have not marked that, for an example. So client will update his particular sheet. So at the end, guys, if everyone are calibrated and if everyone are agreed to the entire call and all the parameters which everyone have marked, fine, so there will be a final sheet. On the basis of that, the score will be calculated, guys. And after done with the audit calibration, client will share us his update if there is any new process update there in the process, and even he will ask every vendor if they have any doubt, any confusion, or anything they want to discuss in terms of process, so that if one vendor is facing the issue, maybe the other vendor get the same issue there, so he will be aware like what he need to follow. So this is the main agenda to do the calibration, wherein everyone will be on the same page, everyone will do the correct marking, and everyone will follow the same process updates and improvement plan over there. And at last, client will share us the score, and he will drop the mail to all the vendors. So this is all about the call calibration, guys. So if we again talk about our personal agenda here, like why we are doing this discussion, then here we are just going to see like how we can crack the interview if HR is going to ask us about the client this call calibration. So what I have observed from the many HRs, and if I have seen when I have asked to the other colleagues also, so basic questions which the HR is going to ask, that is what do you understand by call calibration? So what are the types of call calibration? Can you give me an example on the call calibration? And they will ask us how the call calibration will be done. So on the basis of what the calibration will get done. So I believe I have covered all the points over here, and you got the clear idea over it. So still, if you guys have any doubt, anything which you want to discuss, anything which you want to know, please do comment, and please let me know, so that definitely I will prepare a video over it, or else I can give you the response over the comment section as well. So I believe you got the clear idea on this. So that's all from my side, guys. And again, at the end, please do subscribe my channel, share the video, and like as well, guys, and please share it with your friends who are looking for the job. And we have a Facebook page, we have this Instagram page where I will be posting the job vacancies also. So please do like the page and this Instagram page as well. So we will be coming up with the Android application and Google websites, for an example the websites also, blogs and all. So we will be giving you the entire information briefly. So be alert, and do like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon as well, so that you will get all the updates from our side. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and I believe you got the correct information from my side. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.